Hello, students. Today we are going to learn our third lesson Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. Have you ever read a comic book? What is a comic book? A comic book contains stories. The story is told by the pictures. Mostly pictures will be given in the story and the conversation. The conversation is in sequence, and with the help of conversation, the dialogues, we can understand the story. The dialogues will be in the dialogue box or dialogue bubbles. So, as the name suggests, Gopal and the Hilsa fish. Gopal is the main character in the story, and Hilsa fish is very famous in Bangladesh, and it is the season of Hilsa fish, and this story is when it was the season of Hilsa fish. So, it was the season of Hilsa fish. Fishermen could think nothing but about the Hilsa fish. They were talking about the Hilsa fish. Not only the fisherman, but the fishermongers who sell the fish as food for food. The fishermongers, the householders, children, everybody was talking about the Hilsa fish. In the market, on the street, in the village, at home, everybody was talking about the Hilsa fish. The fishermen were calling the people, they were calling them, come buy, the price of Hilsa is down today. How much did you pay for that Hilsa? You don't believe if I told you. Like this, the people were discussing about the Hilsa fish. But not only at home in the village, but in the palace too. The courtiers were discussing about the Hilsa fish. They were talking about the Hilsa fish. One of the courtiers said, Your Majesty, you should have seen the Hilsa I caught it was. Majesty? Majesty is a word which is used to addressing for the royal power of the person. So he said to the king, Your Majesty, you should have seen the huge hillside caught it was. The king became angry. He became angry because at the court also courtier were talking about the hilsa fish. He became angry and he shouted. He said, Stop it. He said, Are you a courtier or a fisherman? The courtier felt silent. He became sad. He downcast his eyes. But the king felt guilty because the king also knew that it was the season of Hilsa. So he said, I am sorry. I lost my temper. It is the season for Hilsa, and no one, not even Gopal can stop anyone from talking about Hilsa fish, not even for 5 minutes. So the as Gopal was one of the courtier of the king, he took his name and he said even Gopal can't stop anyone from talking about the Hilsa fish. As but Gopal said, Oh, I think I could, Your Majesty. But Gopal said that, No, Majesty, I could do it. The king said, Then let me see you buy a huge hilsa and bring it to the palace without anyone asking you a word about it. I accept the challenge, Your Majesty. Gopal accepted the challenge. He said that he would bring the hilsa without anyone asking him a word about it. The king gave him a challenge because Gopal was always ready to accept the challenges. He accepted the challenge. As Gopal accepted the challenge, a few days later, he was in the preparation of to complete the challenge. So one day he was preparing himself for going to the market for buying the hilsa fish. He shaved his face half. He dressed in ragged clothes and also he smeared some ash on his face. And while he was preparing for going to buy hilsa fish, his wife was there. She saw that and she became very surprised that why he was dressing him in such a way in disgraceful manner. So she talked to her husband, and she said, "Why is your face half shaven? I am dressing up to buy a fish. What's the matter with you? Why are you smearing yourself with ash? I told you I am dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish. Listen to me, please. You can't possibly go out in those disgraceful rags. What are you up to? How many times must I tell you, woman? I am out to buy a Hilsa fish." And she was thinking, it's happened to him. He is going mad. She didn't understand the reason behind it, why he was in disgraceful rags, and why he smeared ash on his face, why he shaved his face half. So she thought that he is going to mad. And she was also thinking, when he is out of the house, what would the people think about him? And she saw that he was going out to buy the Hilsa fish in the disgraceful manner. Disgraceful, disgraceful, shockingly unacceptable. So when Gopal bought the Hilsa fish, and he started walking towards the palace, and when he was toward the palace, on the way many people were there, children were there, women were there, old man, young people, everyone was there. Children were children were talking to their mother. They were calling him, they were saying to their mother, "Mother, look at that man, isn't he comical comical, amusing, that was making to laugh them." One of the man was saying, "He must be a madman." Another man say, "Hush, I think he is a mystic." Mystic? Mystic, someone who attempts to be united with God. One of the men said he must be a madman, but others said no, he is a mystic. And we Gopal realized that all were talking about him. They were not seeing the big hilsa in his hand, and he was very happy. But he didn't say a single word, and he reached the court. And when he reached the court, there were the guards. There were guards, and they were not allowing him to go inside the palace. And they asked him, "What do you want?" "I want to see the king." "You can't you can't see the king. Get away with you." By seeing his disgraceful manner, the guards were not allowing him to go inside, and they were shouting on him, and they were going him to go from there. As on the street also, the people were saying him madman, the children were laughing at him, the guards were also not ready to send him inside the palace. So when they were not allowing him to go inside the palace, Gopal began to dance and sing loudly. And when he was singing and dancing loudly, his voice heard by the king. The king heard his voice inside the palace. The guards were saying, "The man is crazy, throw him out at once." But Gopal was saying, "I want to see the king, let me him." The king was hearing everything. So he called the guard, and he said him, "Bring that man to me at once." The guard said, "Yes, your majesty." And they sent him inside the palace. And when Gopal was brought before the king, the other courtiers, they recognized him, and they said, "It's Gopal." One other courtier said, "The man lost his mind." One of the other courtiers said, "I think it's one of his crazy jokes." So they knew that he did something. Whatever he did, some reason behind it. So one of the courtiers said, "I think one of his crazy joke." The king, when when he heard the conversation of the courtier, he said to Gopal, "All right, Gopal, out with it. Why are you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion?" "Ridiculous? Stupid. or unreasonable and deserving to be laughed. He asked him, "Why you dressed up in this ridiculous fashion?" He didn't remember the challenge what was given by him. So Gopal said, "Your Majesty, you seem to have forgotten something." The king actually forgot about the challenge. "Forgotten something?" Gopal replied. "Strangely enough, no one seemed to be interested in Hilsa fish today. From the market to the palace, from the market to the palace and in the court, not a soul has spoken a word about Hilsa fish." So he explained the king that from the market on the way, nobody talked about the Hilsa, but everybody was discussing about him, everybody was talking about him. Even today, the king, the courtier, the guard, they also didn't talk about the Hilsa, but they were talking about him. Then the king remembered the challenge that he had thrown to Gopal, that he gave to Gopal. So he laughed, "Ha ha ha! Well, Gopal, congratulations! You have achieved the impossible once again. You have achieved the impossible once again." It showed that Gopal accepted many challenges by the king, and by his wisdom, by his tricky way, he was solving the problems and he was making the other people laugh and happy. So the king and the all courtiers were laughing as Gopal completed his challenge. And this time the people were not talking about the Hilsa, but they were talking about Gopal. So we can see, because by making different appearance in disgraceful manner, the Hilsa fish was neglected by the people, and the people were and the king all were talking about Gopal, not about the Hilsa fish.